What's up, guys, and thank you so much for tuning in to another video of As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. Now, in this video, I have something super special in store for you. You guys liked my aloe vera mixture so much that we're going to be doing a part 2 today, where we do a homemade aloe versus a store-bought aloe. Alright guys, if you have not seen part 1 to this video where I show you 3 different ways to make homemade aloe vera, it was a DIY, hands-in, super slimy video, so go watch it. I'll tag it up here somewhere, also at the end of this video and in the description below. But I decided to do part 2 to this video because you guys showed that first video so much love. Okay guys, so we will be comparing 2 different gels today. The first gel is going to be our homemade aloe vera gel. Again, if you did not watch that video, I do a full demonstration on how to make it homemade. It's super cool. And we will also be comparing it to this store-bought gel. I actually purchased this off Amazon. Here it is right here. Can you guys guess why I bought this gel? Okay, so the reason I purchased this gel is because look how cute it is. It is so cute. I actually cannot read anything on it. Everything is in Mandarin or Chinese, I'm not sure, but it's not in English, so I cannot read it. So the sole purpose of me buying this gel is just so I can hold these up next to each other and smile. So yeah, so I'm going to be using this aloe vera gel that I bought off Amazon. I'll go ahead and tag this below, but it is so cute. I love it so much already just because of the packaging. This is aloe 99%. It's a soothing gel. That's pretty much all I can read on here, and we're just going to go ahead and apply this in our hair. It does have 99% aloe in it, so we're going to try it. We'll be using homemade gel from Fresh Aloe. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get started so we can do our comparison. I really hope that the homemade aloe performs better. Comment below which side do you think is going to do better. This side will be the store-bought aloe and this side will be the homemade aloe. So comment below which one you think is going to turn out better. Alright, without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and start taking down my hair. Now this is a 4-day-old wash day, so this is not on fresh hair. I'm doing an old hairstyle. We're going to just revamp it. Yep, this is what it's looking like. I'm just going to go ahead and dive right in and part it into 2 sections, and I'll be back in 1, 2, 3. See how easy that was? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get started on... Let's start on the natural side. We're going to go ahead and use our homemade gel. On this side, I am just going to probably put like 4 to 6 braids in and then let it dry. And then on the other side, I'll also do probably like 4 to 6 braids. I don't want to do too much because I just really want to see which one is going to work better. I'm so excited. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to just start parting. Got a big old chunk in the back. Alright, so I do have some water here. My hair is dry, so I'm going to go ahead and just spray it with water. Water will be applied to both sides. You need water whenever you're doing your hair, guys. Okay, so here is the first squeeze. Look at that. Look at that. Alright. Alright, here we go. It doesn't really feel like a lot is on there. So I'm going to go ahead and do it again. The natural oils in this aloe is making it smell so good. I put so many different oils in my aloe vera homemade gel. So again, I will have it tagged at the end of this video so you guys can go watch it. You guys really enjoyed that video. Now I am going to pop a little bit more gel on the ends here because it's starting to feel a little bit dry, so we're just going to throw a little bit more gel on there like that. Keep going. Alright guys, so here is the first braid. I gotta say that is a healthy size. I did want them a little bit thicker, but it's okay. It might wind up being like 8 braids instead of what I wanted, but it's all right. We'll see. Alright guys, so I am done one side. I have finished my all natural hair gel. It is all in the braids. I am loving how they feel so far. I'm actually pretty happy with the size of them. So I'm going to go ahead and just start this side, and we'll be using the store-bought aloe from Amazon. Okay guys, so here is the store-bought aloe. Now we can go ahead and open it. So this is how it comes out, guys. Oh, that was like a lot. Oh, okay. It does have a scent to it. It smells fresh. So the ingredients have to be, I can't read the ingredients, but it has to be some type of fragrance in here. It doesn't smell like 100% aloe, like my homemade aloe. Alright, so we're just gonna go ahead and use this. It's a liquidy. We'll just put this on the hair. Yeah, so okay. Alright. My curls definitely reverted a little bit. Alright guys, so I did finish both sides. I do have the store-bought aloe in this side, and I have my homemade aloe in this side. I am so excited, guys. I don't know which side's going to perform better. If you guys think that the homemade aloe is going to perform better, please comment below. And if you think that the store-bought aloe is going to perform better, comment below and let me know. So I'm going to go ahead and just let this dry, and I will be back to take out the final results soon. I'll see you guys in a second. Okay guys, I am back and I'm ready to take my braids out. It's been like low-key 3 days, but I'm back like I never left. So we do have the store-bought aloe on this side and the homemade aloe on this side. Oh god, I don't remember. I think it's like that, right? You tell me. We are going to be taking our braids out today. Again, if you guys have not commented below which side you think did better, the store-bought side or the homemade aloe, comment below and let me know. So let's go ahead and start taking these out. I'm nervous. Guys, I am back and this side is fully taken out. I don't know if you were able to see it, but it's super flaky. Like, it's Flake City over here with the natural gel. Now, I don't know if that's because this is an old hairstyle and I just put more gel on top of it instead of freshly washing it and then putting the gel in. So maybe I didn't give it a fair chance or try, but we're gonna just keep going. You can't really see the flakes once they're taken out. Even if I zoom in, I don't think that you guys can see any flakes, but once you like get in there and start shaking it, oh, it's flake city. It's snowing, like. So I'm just gonna try not to play in my hair, but I am gonna go ahead and take out my other side really quickly. All right, let's talk. We have the store-bought aloe on this side and our homemade aloe on this side. I'm gonna be quiet and let you guys look at my hair, and you tell me which side do you like more. Do you like this side with the homemade aloe or this side with the store-bought? Or does it look the same to you? Child, I'm shocked. The store-bought aloe blew me away. I don't know if it's paying off on camera, but I've already said it is flake city over here. I can't even move my hair without dried flakes just coming out. On this side, nothing. No flakes. It's more defined. It's more shiny. Like, I don't know if you guys can see, but this side has a lot more definition than this side does. I'm shocked. Okay guys, so this is the homemade side. It was a fail for me, unfortunately. It just didn't work. I have products in my hair, so I set another product on top of it, so I don't know if that's what caused it or what, but this side is healthy, it's full, it's bouncy, it's pretty, and this side it came up a little short. So if you guys guessed that the store-bought aloe from the Chinese that we cannot read at all, this took the cake for me. I am shocked. OMG, I cannot believe this worked. This really worked. It gave me so much shine, so much definition. It's an old style, so I revamped it. And this side, we gonna pray. We just gonna pray. And we gonna figure it out, and we gonna finesse. And like, again, I don't know if it's coming off on camera, how I'm looking at it in my mirror, but baby, this side is a little dead, and this side is full of life. So, you guys seen it here on my channel, the store-bought aloe versus the homemade aloe. I'm so happy I got the chance to do this and show you guys both sides. I'm voting for the store-bought aloe that we can't even read, but you guys tell me which side you like better. And yeah, so the store-bought aloe wins. If you like this video, please let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you like the store-bought aloe versus the homemade aloe side and which side that you guys like. I also challenge you to do this at home as well. If you enjoy making homemade products, go for it. Make your homemade aloe, buy some store-bought aloe, and see which one performs better in your hair. I am shocked at the results. I actually love it. Both sides are pretty cute, but that's about it. Again, please like, subscribe, and share this video if you did enjoy this content. But my name is Aleia. This is As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. I'll catch you in the next one. Deuces.